Here's an overall view of this newly refurbished room at Port Orleans French Quarter. It's just so charming. They still have the cute little Mardi Gras beads shaped like Mickey Mouse. I love that added touch. They have this little cute couch now where it used to be a table and 2 chairs. I like this better. So I'm loving this long, nice, sleek dresser area. It reminds me of the refurbished rooms at Coronado Springs. So you have 7 drawers altogether. Two thin drawers like this, and then let's see which one. You have 4 standard looking drawers, and then you have this drawer over here. Cuisinart coffee maker and all of your Joffrey coffee and tea, condiments, fun Mardi Gras shelf. Here is the refrigerator. Let's do the cool test. Pretty cool. Yeah, I left this in last night. It seems pretty cool. Okay, so you have this nightstand in the middle, and it has some shelves for storage here. And you have 2 outlets, and you have your USB ports. You have this antique, this old-fashioned thing called a landline, a phone. And each side of the bed has these reading lights. I just love these lights. It feels like a Magic Kingdom room to me. And then the lights give me that, they look like the contemporary. And I love the headboard. Yeah, it just has a Magic Kingdom feel to it. And this side of this bed has a tiny little nightstand, and there's an outlet right down there. And you have a barn door, which I love. It's in all the new Disney rooms, I think. And this one is just so adorable. I just feel like I'm in the Magic Kingdom. Feels like I don't know, there's Princess Tiana's tiara. I love the colors. It looks very, I don't know, it feels like the Magic Kingdom to me. I love it. And here is your double sink vanity. And here is the magnifying mirror, so we can check out all of our pores and imperfections. Yeah. I just love these new rooms. I really do. I love the way they set it up. So here is your extra pillow and blanket, safe, and closet area to hang up your clothes. Ironing board, and look at this nice hair dryer. Molly, you'd be proud. Look at this hair dryer. That is a nice upgrade from what they used to have in here, I'm pretty sure. So yeah, I'm glad I didn't bother bringing my hair dryer. Looks like a nice steam iron. And I like how they have this for the kiddos. Little footstool. More places to store things, more shelving. Then you get hand soap and body lotion. And this room came with a full bath. Here's your shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. Royal throne. I love the floors. They're pretty, very pretty. I just really love this new room. I just really love this resort. I love how it's so small and charming. And you have live entertainment here. So yeah, this is a great choice, guys. And if you don't want to be at a huge Disney resort, this is the place to stay. This is the smallest one. I mean, they only have one bus because it's not a big resort. It's just easy and lovely and relaxing to be here. Thank you so much for watching my video of the new refurbished rooms at Port Orleans French Quarter. Coming soon, I will have a video of the entire resort, and you're going to want to see it. I really think this is a wonderful place to stay on your Disney vacation. I'm just having fun. Bye, everyone.